This is Boddington in Western Australia, and it's home to one of the largest gold mines in the Southern Hemisphere. And it's also a leader in innovative mining technology. So Ian, this is one of the amazing sort of Thunderbirds kind of machines they have here in Boddington. It's a pit viper, which is used for digging holes and then dropping explosives in to break up the ground. And this is one of the devices that you're helping to run autonomously over a private 5G network, is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the key reason 5G is being deployed here is to support a fleet of these autonomous drills being used as part of the mining operation.
Yeah, and I mean, 5G is designed for this kind of application. What was the big problem which it solved for Newmont here?
Yeah, I think when you look at machines like this, large-scale automated machines, they need stable connectivity to the network. They need a level of performance that ensures that the automation can be safe and robust. And what they saw with Wi-Fi is, similar to the trucking fleet, simply didn't deliver the performance they needed where they needed it. So 5G provided that ability to provide that stable connection, that level of performance to support the huge traffic that comes off these sorts of machines with a level of responsiveness that an automatic control system really required.
So obviously Newmont's using 5G throughout this mining facility, but I get the sense that there are other things that it could use 5G for in the future, other than just remotely controlling or automating these giant Thunderbirds machines. Can you give us a sense of what might be coming down the pike in the future for Newmont?
Yeah, Steve, it's not just about heavy equipment. We're all seeing all the little things as well. So it's improving and innovating the way that mines and other industries can operate. So for example, at Newmont, we see the future looking at connected workers, so workers with handheld devices, with their digital workflows, lone worker safety applications. We're looking at cameras being used combined with computer vision and AI to provide smarter sensing around the mine. We're looking at sensors on anything that moves in processing plants or on conveyor belts that feed data into digital twins that drive entire preventative maintenance regimes. The benefit of 5G and being able to connect anything and everything at scale, we haven't even started to tap the potential of this yet. And yes, big machines, but also little innocuous things. In underground mining, for example, even rock bolts, they're smart. They detect the stress and strain and allow a geotech engineer to view the safety of the mine from the safety of their desk on the surface without going underground. So a massive change.
That's still over 5G.
That is still over 5G because all these rock bolts, there could be thousands of them.
Yeah.
They need to be connected via wireless because you're not going to connect with wires, but they also generate a massive amount of data that has to be transmitted super fast into the network. 5G is the technology that can do it.
So we're really at the beginning of the revolution.
We are. We haven't even scratched the surface of the potential of this technology yet.
Do you see technology like this having applications in other industries?
Yes, look, a lot of industries that are looking at automation or robotics or critical communications really look to 5G to provide that stability and that performance they need. Could be ports with straddle cranes or ship-to-shore cranes. Could be warehouses with automated guided vehicles that move containers and packages around. It could even be in wind farms with drones and test equipment just monitoring the performance of the wind farm. So lots of different vertical markets and vertical industries require this sort of technology because they're all going wireless.
And Ericsson's a key player in this market?
Yes, we are. Yeah. We use our 4G, 5G mobile leadership to really help organizations embrace their digital future, to look at what you can do with technology, with better wireless connectivity, and really connect those future systems and make them a reality today.